Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat here at Grok Trade with the trade of the day from the Grok Day Trading Chat Room. Today's lesson is on Let Your Winners Run. This was on YELP, Y-E-L-P. They were up big on earnings, and here it was just after opening. Boom, it went up, and it was forming a high base just under the $45 mark. Hey, if you want to know more about high base, just go to that's freeonlinetradingeducation.com, free chart school, and I'd look under high base. So here it was forming, so I set a trade just above the $45 mark. I don't trade for the first 3 minutes, so it just was on minute number 4 here, and I'm ready to go. And let's see what happened next. And boom, I'm now in at $45.19, and then boom, it really took off up all the way up here to $46. Pierced that and pulled back. So I'm going to set a stop here, and now I'm going to put it just inside the money here, just in the money here. After it exploded up there, it could pull all the way back. Let's wait and see. Let's manage that stop and let our winner run. And look at that. Came back, hit the 8 EMA, and then rolled right up here. Boom, up above $46. And look at the volume and kicking in here. The markets are going up as well, so it's supporting our long here as we go. And now high based here for a little while, just under what, 46.50 here, and then boom, it broke out. So again, I'll move my stop up here just below the $46 area, and then it broke out above the 46.50, and now it's over 1% up there. Now it's hitting his head on this is called a pivot line. This is the R1 pivot line. Again, this is for intraday trading only. You have a pivot line, and you have R1, resistance line 1, based on prior day's price action. So anyway, here it is, high basing up here. Now look at the lower volume now. So I'm going to just keep bringing my stop up here just underneath this 20 moving average. So I have a shield, and let's get ready to let this winner run here. If it busts out, I'm gonna be moving my stop, but if it pulls back down, well, then I have a nice 1%, 1.5% trade in there, and it's still basing there, Oh, wait, boom, here we go. We finally break out, now above the $47 amount, and it's still rising with nice little volume increase there as it went up. And here we go. I'm going to bring my stop up here just under that pivot line now. So now I have the shield of the pivot line. I've got this 20 moving average moving up. I have 47 even dollar amount to protect my stop from getting stopped out. And there it is now, just basing right up here at 47.25. 47.75, and now the markets are starting to pull back a little bit, not going to be supporting my long, so I went ahead and I took out half up here at $47.73 for 5.6% on the first half. Ooh, like it when that happens. And then I'm going to set my stop down here now that it's basing up here just under $48, and again the markets are pulling back, pulling my stop a little bit more aggressive here, just around the 47.25 area. And what happens, it snapped right back to where? That 20 moving average, and stop me out at 47.27 on the second half for 4.6%. So let's take a look at how we let our winner run here. It was a high base and it broke out, and when it broke out, I set my stop just in the money here, but stayed below this 8 EMA. It pulled back to the 8 EMA, and then it took off. So I moved to the 20 moving average, and see how it was honoring this 8 EMA, but I'm staying at the 20 moving average all the way up here. And then when it was basing up here on lower volume and the markets were pulling back, I went ahead and took out half, and so I could let the other half run if it started to take off again, but it didn't. It pulled back to that 20 moving average, and I stopped out. So this total trade was for 5.1% in just 34 minutes. Wow. And now let's see what happened after that. And sure enough, it went higher, and then we traded it a few more times. In fact, this was just one of 13 trades we had in the Grok Day Trading Chat Room this morning. It was up here over 48, and then it went even higher after that. Look at that. You're up to 49.50 high of day here as I'm recording this here at 12:45, and then it started to drop off. So if you'd like to trade the Grok Trade Way, you can. You can go to Las Vegas, Nevada. It's just a few days away, just over a week away here. If you want to learn more about our mentoring program, and in fact we're going to be doing it live in Las Vegas in a setting with other like-minded traders, go to groktrade.com and here this Vegas mentorship, and it will tell you all about it here. You can here's the basic information on it. Right here you can read about it. You can hit enroll, which will just have a telephone call about it to find out how your trading is and see if our mentoring program will help you or not. And then here are the dates. It's going to be next Saturday, a week, about 10 days away here, Saturday the 18th through Monday the 20th of August. And then we're going to have a free trading day. We're going to trade live the markets together on the 21st. And if you want to stay for the advanced mentoring, that's on the 22nd and 23rd. Again, it's in Las Vegas, Nevada, folks. And if you'd like to join us, you're more than welcome. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that you need to trade well and let your winners run.